some of President-elect Donald Trump's mounting legal battles may be coming to an end. We're talking specifically about Special Counsel Jack Smith. He's looking now to wind down the ongoing federal prosecutions against the president-elect. The move prompted by a long-standing policy that forbids prosecuting a sitting president. The Jack Smith is currently overseeing 2 cases against Donald Trump, the first for conspiring to overturn the 2020 election, the second involving the much-talked-about classified documents case out of Mar-a-Lago. CBS News campaign reporter and attorney Katrina Kaufman is here and has the very latest developments on this. Katrina, thanks for joining us here, rolling with us through some of our technical issues right now. Help us to understand that long-standing policy and what happens next. Does this just literally all go away?
Hi, Reed. So this is a DOJ policy that comes out of a 2000 memo affirming a policy from the Watergate era. And it's believed that it just puts too much of an undue burden on the president to be undergoing a prosecution. It's viewed as unconstitutional to let this proceed. So Jack Smith is looking into how to wind down these cases. And the Florida one is more complicated than the one in D.C. because that's not only against former President Donald Trump. There are 2 other defendants in that case. And further complicating it, Reed, is that there's an appeal going on to the 11th Circuit, and it's on the basis of whether or not the appointment and funding of the special counsel is unconstitutional. So Jack Smith will really have to think through how to proceed with this because there are other issues at play in those cases.
Right, and let's talk about the hush money case out of New York. Trump was already found guilty on 34 counts of falsifying business records. Sentencing has been delayed twice. Will the judge now go forward with that sentencing as scheduled now that Trump has won the White House?
There is a lot on Judge Juan Merchan's plate right now. For one, we're also waiting for a decision from him on whether the Supreme Court's presidential immunity ruling will warrant dismissing this case altogether. And then, depending on what he decides with that, we do have this sentencing currently set at the end of the month. Merchan will have to decide if he wants to proceed with that, if he wants to move it until after the presidency. I've also heard talk that Trump's team is just going to try to get this case dismissed altogether now that he has been elected president. So I will absolutely be watching that case in the coming days.
Wow. We know you'll keep us posted. CBS News campaign reporter and attorney Katrina Kaufman, thank you so much.